Assalamualaikum and good morning to all my dear children. Hi everybody, Teacher Zati is here. I hope everybody's doing fine. Stay healthy and stay safe at home. So today is day 2. That's meant today is, what day is today everybody? Very good, today is Tuesday. We're going to learn a pre-number concept which is wet and dry. Have you heard about wet and dry? Okay, for those who don't know about that, Teacher Zati will explain. In Malay, wet we call basah and dry we call kering. Repeat after Teacher Zati, okay? Wet we call basah, dry we call kering. Well done. Okay, remember what we need to learn today? Today we're going to learn a pre-number concept of wet and dry. Wet we call basah and dry we call kering. In this picture you can see it is raining and the boy with the umbrella is not getting wet, he is dry. Why? Because he is wearing an umbrella and the other boy who doesn't have an umbrella is wet, and you look at the face, he's sad. So the boy with the umbrella is dry and the boy without the umbrella is wet. I hope everybody got the concept of dry and wet. Look at the next example. There is an elephant, also the tiger. The elephant is dry and the tiger is wet. Teacher Zati want to ask you why the tiger is wet. Because the elephant is splashing the water on the tiger. So the tiger is wet and the elephant is dry. Very good. I hope everybody got the concept of dry and wet. Next example. You can see the pants, there's hanging on the rope. So the blue color pant is wet. Why? Because you can see there's a water dripping down. So the blue pant is very good. It's wet. And the yellow pant is dry. Why the yellow pant is dry? I want to ask you why the yellow pen is dry. Because there's no water dripping down, so the yellow pen is dry and the blue pen is very good. The blue pen is wet. The next one is, in this picture, both children are wearing swimming, but the boy is wet. You can see the water all over him because he just came out from the pool. So the boy is wet and the girl is not wet because maybe she haven't entered the pool, that's why she is dry. You can see the difference between wet and dry. Everybody, I hope you got the concept of wet and dry. Let's do our exercise together with Teacher Zati's, okay? Everybody, listen carefully, okay? Alright, before we do this exercise, get ready with your pencils, also your rubber. One more time, pencil, also your rubber. Let's do this together. Still remember what Teacher Zati tell you this just now? Dry, in Malay we call kering, and wet, we call it basah. Let's see the exercise. Everybody look carefully. Instructions ask you to circle the object which are wet. Remember? Instructions ask you to circle the objects which are wet. Wet, in Malay we call it basah. Let's see the pictures together with Teacher Zati's, okay? Look at the first picture. The first picture is umbrella. Do you think the umbrella is wet or dry? What do you think? Did you see the umbrella is wet? There's a water dropping down. No. The umbrella is very good. The umbrella is Dry. Okay, leave it. You don't have to circle the umbrella because instructions only ask you to circle the wet objects. Look at the second picture. There's a bucket. There's a water inside the bucket. What do you think? Is the bucket is wet or dry? Very good, sama answer Teacher Zati. The bucket is wet. So get your pencil and circle the bucket. Well done. Then go to the third picture, which is the bicycles. Look at the bicycles. What do you think? The bicycle is wet or dry? What do you think? Very good. The bicycle is dry. So don't have to circle because instructions only ask you to circle objects which are wet. Move to the fourth picture. Look at the bottles. Look at the water bottle. What do you think? The water bottle is wet or dry? Remember, wet in Malay we call it basah. Dry in Malay we call it kering. What do you think? The water bottles. Look carefully. Very good. The water bottle is wet, so you get your pencil and circle it. And the last picture is a shovel. What do you think? Shovel is wet or dry? There's no water dropping down. That's mean the shovel is dry. Okay, leave it. You don't have to circle it. Okay, well done everybody. Good job.